here it is, Tuesday, after a much needed day of rest. I do feel better, even though the mosquitoes were beyond horrible. The off that I bought at the local store, it might as well have been candy to them for all the better it did. I don't know what you need, but you need more than what I have. Other than that though, great place to stay, friendly people, quiet, just what I was looking for. So today, we were just south of Talkeetna on the Talkeetna Spur by maybe a mile. I am going to head up through Denali and stay at Fairbanks. They're calling for rain today and tomorrow, so I'm not sure what my future holds. I really want to do Prudhoe Bay, but if it's going to be a sloppy, sticky, nasty mess the whole way up and back as a solo rider, I really don't want to. I mean, on a good day, I think it's a 4-day round trip unless you're really willing to push hard. I mean, you leave Fairbanks, stop at Coldfoot, go from Coldfoot to Prudhoe, and then in reverse. There's lots of people, I'm sure, that can do that in 2 days. I probably could if I really wanted to push hard, but that doesn't sound like a lot of fun. I don't know. I'm only creeping just to stay quiet because it's 6:20 in the morning here. I don't want to wake people up and give the bike a chance to warm up a little bit. Well, this sucks. Okay, I just happened to see this alongside the road, and I bet this was really cool back in its day. Yeah, it's too bad it's gone. That's really, really neat. Well, the sign back there just a few hundred yards ago said I'm officially in the Denali Borough. Cool view, even with the clouds. Well, as usual, I missed the sign, but we are now officially in Denali National Park. Oh wow, tour bus, everybody can get their picture at the sign. No, I'm not gonna stop. You can't make me. Hey look, I'm on video. Hi Mom. Well, there's Mama Moose and her calf, nobody to screw with. Well, this must be the end of the line he was telling me about. Yeah, whatever. I got to see quite a bit. I would love to drive up that road though. Jack Coghill Bridge to the interior. That's neat looking. Nenana River? Where's the Nenana? I don't know. Like that. okay, that's kind of neat. But then again, so is that. Ninana is where I am, or Ninana, however you're supposed to say it. I don't know which still. Seen a float plane go overhead a couple of times. Oh, cool rail bridge. Well, here at the Roundup Steakhouse, it's kind of dead right now at 4:45 p.m. local time on a Tuesday, but I really enjoyed it. The bar lady was super kind and friendly, and I just sat at the bar because I was pretty much the only customer other than one of the guy that was here before me. I read some nasty comments online about the place, but it's got that old-time feel to it, which I happen to like, but the food was good. I got a New York strip with mashed potatoes and came with the other sides of vegetables and onion rings and bread, and it was $37 and some odd cents with a soft drink, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. Well, happy hump day, everybody. It is 7:18. I've had breakfast. I've got my fuel bladder full with an extra 2 gallons, even though shouldn't need it, but it's kind of like having your insurance. It's nice to have if you need it. Got a full tank of fuel with 329 miles of range and 253 miles to get to Coldfoot. If the weather predictors are right, as I go north, the weather should improve over the next few days. Let's hope, right? Because if the whole road turns into a nasty, snotty mess, it's not what I'm looking for. I mean, look how low those clouds are. I must admit, and a lot of it's because it's raining, this is the first time for the whole trip that I've been a little bit nervous. Just because I know that highway can be a dust bowl, or it can be slimy as snot, or anywhere in between. Can you see me now? It's a heck of a twisty, curvy road too, but it's wet, poor visibility, and extremely rough. I don't know if that's the famous Alaskan pipeline, but there's part of a pipeline there. I just left that pickup truck go, but what a good time to catch that tanker, right? So I just let the truck go so I can go crazy slow and stay out of the dust. Technically, I think I'm on the Dalton now. 50 mile an hour, next 416 miles. I just left Alaska 2. I'm now on Alaska 11 North, 174 miles to Coldfoot. And I have 313 miles worth of range on fuel because I've been babying it, mainly because of the rain, and little squirrel can't make up his mind. There's no reason to be flooring it. Heck, I've even got the bike in rain mode right now. Guess I could switch over to the I could switch over to the enduro mode just so I can lock up my rear if necessary. Well, here we are at the famous sign. Tried up there, but I'll wait for everybody else to do their touristy thing while I'll do my touristy thing. Mainly put up an old sticker. It probably won't stay, but I'm here for now.